Welcome to the Great Edge workshop. I thought I would take you through an entire start to finish sharpening process this morning with my Work Sharp Elite sharpener. That's the Ken Onion knife and tool sharpener with the blade grinding attachment. What I've got here is a very basic chef's knife. This is a Henckel made in China, so simple stainless steel, plastic handle, short tang. So really an everyday knife. I don't know what it would have cost originally, but certainly not a very expensive knife at all. I've seen this one before, so I know that it's sharpened to 15 degrees per side, but the edge performance has just started to drop off a bit. First thing I did when I brought it out was to pass it over the leather strop here, a hanging strop, to see if that would improve the performance at all, but it didn't, and so I decided to take it through a full sharpening and switch on the camera so you can join me. Step number one is to test the sharpness on the BESS tester here, so we'll see where we're starting from. 279, so not bad at all. Catching this on the early side, but it does need a tune up. I'm just gonna reset the BESS tester here for my once we've been through the sharpening, we will run it again. So I'm using the 100 gram reference weight to get the tension on here on the clip, and I will set that aside. Okay, so. This is an edge that, as I said, is still working reasonably well. Catches a bit when you slice magazine paper. Not super smooth, but still a working edge. So with the blade grinding attachment, I'm going to start with the medium belt. I don't think I need the full. The full set. So we're going to go through three belts of sharpening at 15 degrees. I've already set that up. So the blade grinding attachment has this scale here. You can see we're set to 15. I'll switch it on, and here we go. So what I'm doing here with my fingers is just feeling for a burr. So pushing away from the edge, and I can feel that the metal has curled up away from the blade. If I switch it over, there's no burr in this direction, and so you may have seen I was doing checks on this side for the burr and then checks on this side. And what I want to do is feel a burr on this side. None on the back, and then when I sharpen the other side, the opposite. So the burr is moved over to here and not on the back, and then I know that I've really worked the edge up to an apex. I'm happy with that. So I think starting with medium was the right decision. So now we can go to the fine belt straight away. This isn't going to take long at all. Once you've established a burr, then you can more quickly move up through the rest of the grits. A little bit of trouble locking the trigger on. I'll try and struggle a little bit less with this belt, but here we go with the next one, just to remind myself. So the burr is on this side. It's curled up like that. So first pass is going to be this way. Okay, here we go. As the belts get finer, the burr is ever more subtle, so it's harder to detect with your fingertips. But I do feel a slight burr, and I feel also that it's flipping from one side to the next. So I'm confident that's reached a good point. So first pass in this direction, because I finished this way. Here we go again. This is the smoothest belt in the set. So once I finish here, I'm going to test sharpness again, and then strop, and we're done. All right, 3 passes per side on the finest belt, and now let's see where we are sharpness wise. Now, one thing with the blade grinding attachment with the standard set of 5 belts that it comes with is it is a little bit difficult to get the burr, the very fine burr off of the finest belt. So I suspect that we are not going to be too far ahead of the 279 starting sharpness, but what we've done is reset the apex so that it's at a nice shape. So let's see, first of all, get here. Yeah, now that's going to look bad. It's going to look like actually I've made it duller by running it through the Canadian Elite, but that is definitely better edge. And secret weapon here to complement the Canadian Elite is my strop. So I've got 2 sides here, a rough and a smooth. I'm going to do 14 passes, alternating sides, so 7 per side on the rough, 3 per side on the smooth, and then we'll test sharpness again, and I think we're going to see a remarkably improved result. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's 7 per side there, and then 3 per side on the smooth side. Doesn't help if I catch the edge on the wooden clip at the top. All right. And let's see where we are sharpness wise after 3 belts on the blade grinding attachment and then a leather strop. 146. Nice. So nearly twice as sharp as we were, and now we've got a really nice edge. Don't have any paper. Well, it's a little piece here. I can maybe show you how much smoother that's cutting. So really happy with that. And all in all, just a few minutes of sharpening, even counting the thread change on my BESS tester. So yeah, another good day with the Ken Onion Elite. Thank you. If you enjoyed this, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.